Dr. Terrence Young, Obstetrics and Gynecology, Danville, Illinois, Christie Clinic, and Presence Health. I chose gynecology because I want to have a balance of being able to do surgery because I liked working with my hands, and I wanted to have the long-term aspect of taking care of patients. So with maternal care, taking care of patients in their younger age, providing services for their pregnancies and delivery, and then following them in the years to come as they age as well. So I wanted to be able to establish longer-term bonds with my patient. Well, I try to look at each patient as an individual. It's very hard for women to come to a new obstetrician gynecologist to have examinations done, so I feel that I can make the patients feel comfortable with my presence. I treat them as an individual and not just a number, giving them all the time that they need to explain all of their issues with them, so they feel comfortable coming back to me for the long-term care. I used to work here for 9 years previously. I feel very, very privileged and happy that I'm back to the community with Christie Clinic, and just looking forward to continue to provide quality care for the Danville area. What I like about it is the smaller atmosphere of the hospital and the community. I did just relocate from the East Coast, where I worked in large areas like Baltimore, Maryland. I like the smaller rural areas because I feel welcomed in these areas, feel like I can truly make a presence, and with the smaller amount of physicians I feel I can stand out more to let patients know that I'm going to provide them a quality level of care. I've always wanted to be a physician. It's the only field that I had an interest in growing up because I've always had a need to help other people. So that was my main decision. My favorite thing would probably be the deliveries, just to follow the mothers for the 9 months and just sharing their joy of eventually having their delivery and sharing in their experience with them and their spouse at that time. I live locally in the Danville area, was just married actually about 3 weeks ago, so just relocated with my new wife here. Some of the things that I like to do: golf, tennis, running along with my wife as well, so I try to stay as active and fit as I can.